Jack Smith, the special counsel leading investigations into Donald Trump, has become a focal point in recent political and legal discussion. Reports suggest that Smith is nearing the end of his investigative and prosecutorial efforts, a decision seen by some as a preemptive measure against Trump's declared intention to remove him immediately if reelected. By concluding his work now, Smith may be positioning his findings to avoid any potential suppression or interference in the future. As part of wrapping up his work, Smith is reportedly compiling a detailed report, expected to reveal the full extent of evidence gathered during his investigations. This document is anticipated to go far beyond the information disclosed in public court filings, offering a comprehensive narrative of Trump's alleged misconduct, including his handling of classified documents and his actions surrounding the 2020 election. It may also shed light on the roles of other figures involved in these events. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. One major aspect of Smith's work focuses on Trump's alleged mishandling of classified national security documents. Trump is accused of retaining sensitive information, unlawfully obstructing justice by defying a grand jury subpoena, and violating the Espionage Act. Another significant case addresses Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election, culminating in the January 6th Capitol attack. These cases form the backbone of Smith's efforts to hold Trump accountable. There is an urgency to release Smith's findings before a potential Trump administration to ensure the report is not buried or distorted. Observers recall how former Attorney General Bill Barr was accused of misrepresenting the Mueller report's findings, fueling concerns that a similar situation could arise. Attorney General Merrick Garland has assured the public that any special counsel report will be made available, reinforcing hopes for transparency. Smith's position also carries personal risks, given Trump's pledges of retribution against perceived enemies. Trump has vowed to use his power to target opponents, raising concerns about Smith's safety and legal exposure under a future Trump administration. While Smith has acted lawfully and with judicial oversight, Trump's previous administration demonstrated a willingness to weaponize the Department of Justice against critics, leading to fears of politically motivated action. Legal experts believe the federal judiciary will act as a safeguard against any such abuses. Judges, including those appointed by Trump, have repeatedly upheld the rule of law in cases related to him, providing a bulwark against unlawful acts. However, the threat of retaliatory measures remains a serious concern. Smith's distinguished career includes prosecuting war crimes at the International Criminal Court, where he tackled cases involving genocide, crimes against humanity, and other atrocities. While Smith could return to the ACC, the U.S. has not ratified the Rome Statute, which limits the court's jurisdiction over American officials. This restricts the ICC's ability to address any crimes potentially committed under a Trump administration, leaving accountability largely. The forthcoming report is expected to serve as a significant historical and legal document, outlining Trump's alleged misconduct in detail. Even if cases are dismissed under a Trump presidency, the report could preserve the evidence for future. Smith's work underscores the importance of the rule of law and the need for accountability, with the public eagerly awaiting the release of his findings and the next steps in these high-profile investigations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.